In this video, we're going to be showing you how you can make a photo, a sticker on iPhone. If this does help you out, drop a like on the video, subscribe down below, and let's just get into the video.
So first go to your Photos app on your iPhone and then select a photo that you want to change into a sticker. Once you select the photo, you simply have to just click that object that you want to change into a sticker in that picture. Just click and hold and then release your finger and it's going to pop up with these three options. Here you'll see this add sticker option. Click this option and it's going to add that sticker to your sticker menu. And here you can see you have this option to delete, rearrange, or add effect. You can add effects to this sticker as well. Now once done, click this cross over here. And now you can go back and use the sticker in your messages section. Go to your messages section and here you can come to this chat over here. And here you can click this plus sign and then click stickers. And here you can see you have the sticker over here that you just created. And that's how you do it.